If you want to get all of your content creation done in less than 4 hours a month without hiring a huge team, then here's what you need to know. Our company, Upperhand Creative, will guarantee that you have a content machine that builds your brand presence and generates leads and sales for you on autopilot, or we work for free until you do. Now, we do this by providing 3 key results. Number 1, we give you access to some of the best content creators in the industry that you can place inside of your business immediately. This team is your creative assistant, your video editor, graphic designer, and social media manager in one, and they're there to edit your videos, find the best parts of that long form video based on your market, and repurpose it into over 36 different pieces of content. So podcast episodes, YouTube videos, thumbnails, video posts with headlines and captions, graphic quotes, carousel posts, reels, TikToks, and a whole lot more, fully optimized for all of your social media platforms. So no need to recruit or train an expensive creative director or media team. Number 2, we hand you our proven processes that your content creators will manage for you to systematize all of your content creation and social media efforts so that you can have omnipresent content going out on autopilot just by recording a couple of raw videos each month. The number 1 thing I hear is, how can I make content creation and distribution efficient and remove myself without sacrificing quality? And that's exactly what we give you so that you are fully systematized with the team behind you to execute. Now you're able to focus on scaling your business and not on social media or content creation. And the third thing is, we help you build out the best content strategy, platforms, and topics for your business. This includes leveraging the power of organic search traffic, SEO optimization, and structuring your content to actually convert so that you become low-key famous and top of mind in your industry, making your competition completely irrelevant. Now, we've helped tons of entrepreneurs, coaches, and consultants scale their brand presence and creative teams. We've worked with brands like Orange Theory Fitness, MyoCore, Burn Bootcamp, and more. But we actually practice what we preach. I've personally scaled a creative team within my own company and built a system for my content to go out on autopilot just by me recording a few raw videos every month. And we regularly hear that people have made buying decisions to work with us after consuming our video content. And our content has been responsible for converting strangers into people that already know, like, and trust us without ever speaking to us. And for the last 18 months, we've been building the same content machine inside of our clients' businesses while managing the content creation processes for them at scale. Now, the principles behind this have been responsible for not only a 400% increase in top-line revenue in just a couple of months for our own company, but also in massive follower growth and sales for our clients and a $2 million increase in profit during my time as primary stakeholder at Orange Theory Fitness. Now, no other content agency or coach can claim that, not even close. And that's because most agencies or outsourced marketing firms just simply don't have the right systems in place to vet, train, manage, and track their creative teams. Trusting others with your brand is a very tough thing to do, and hiring the right creative director to manage this for you is time-consuming, expensive, and difficult. And that's where we come in. We've done all the heavy lifting for you, and with our track record of working with these household brands, we know how to scale content at the level of quality you need for your brand while removing you from the process, because we've dialed in the people and systems required. Now, best of all, we've repeated this process over and over again for our clients, so we know all the common pitfalls to avoid. So maybe you've been thinking about ramping up your own content and systematizing your strategy, or creating more video content to grow your brand presence and fuel the effectiveness of your paid ads. Now, you've learned what we do and how we can help others with this, and you want to learn how exactly we can help you. So just tap the button below. We're going to ask a little more information about you, and then we'll schedule a demo call to walk you through it, and I'll show you exactly what it would look like for your brand. And by the way, if things make sense, of course, we're going to say, great, we think you should do this, and we'll get started as soon as you're ready. And if you're not ready and it doesn't seem like a good fit, we're going to tell you that, and we'll say, come back in a month or so. There's a guarantee on this, so we have no incentive or benefit to push this if it's not right for you or if it's not a good fit, because we stand behind our results. So if that's all you needed to hear, click the button down below to schedule a demo, and we're happy to answer any questions you have. Talk with you soon.